And then our insert is another LeBron James, numbered 37 of 99. Yo, 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 or good afternoon, good evening, or good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching around the world, whatever intro you prefer. We have the big one, the Topps 2025 Hobby Box NBA Basketball with keeper flag there on the front. So this has literally hot off the press, just been delivered to me, so thought I'd go ahead and create a midweek special. Not even a midweek special, a weekend special. So these just got released, there's lots of YouTube videos on it. So let's have a look at what you get in the box. So we are looking out for the one autograph or relic card, and there are 20 packs per box and 12 cards per pack. Packs with special inserts may contain less cards. Chase the Hobby exclusive black rainbow parallel, something to look out for. Same on both sides. Same on the top and bottom, and the usual bump that you get with these packs. So this is probably going to be a long video, but I'm hoping that it will be worth it. So hope you enjoy these types of unboxing videos. If you do, please like, share, subscribe. Our goal is to get to at least 100 subscribers, so that would be one new subscriber per day on average between now and the end of the year. Perfectly doable. So if you're not subscribed and you like these sort of unboxing videos, I have purchased the Hobby Jumbo box yesterday, as well as 4 of the value boxes, so there will be reviews of them as well in due course once they get delivered. Some YouTubers get these boxes even before release day. It's bonkers, they get a steal on the videos, which is kind of annoying. So here we have our special Hobby exclusive pack of 5 cards, and then we have in here 4 lots of 5, so 20 packs. So I think what we'll do is I'll take 5 packs at a time, pad them out, and go ahead and open them up. So this is the first time Topps have had the license for these cards, and we start off with Bradley Beal of the Phoenix Suns, Cole Anthony of the Orlando Magic, a Pure Fire Magic card there of Pillow and Suggs Sizzle, it says there, Evan Mobley. So I noticed that these are a lot better because now that the license compared to the Topps Inception. If you've not seen that video, have a look. This was £100, which was £20 less than the Topps Inception. You get a lot more cards in this pack, and they're licensed. So you have Murray there of the New Orleans Pelicans, Tyler Smith of the Milwaukee Bucks, Klay Thompson of the Dallas Mavericks, my team Miami Heat, Tyler Hero. We have Anthony Black of the Orlando Magic, very Orlando Magic based this pack, clearly. Ochai Agbaju of the Toronto Raptors, Tracy McGrady of the Houston Rockets, very old school. And then we end this pack with Isaiah Thomas of the Detroit Pistons. So as you can see there, it's a mixture of old and new. The main chase is to get Mr. Box himself with the flag. So start off with LaMelo Ball of the Hornets, Jabari Smith Jr. of the Rockets, Trae Young of the Atlanta Hawks, Brandon Williams of the Dallas Mavericks, Pascal Siakam of the Indianapolis Pacers, Jalen Wells of the Grizzlies. There has a special badge of the NBA All-Rookie team. Andrew Wiggins of the Heat. Santi Aldama of the Grizzlies. Another Magic, Tristan Da Silva, Brooklyn Nets. I expect as I mentioned before, my brother and sister-in-law who are big Nets fans there, rookie card. And also Ighodaro of the Phoenix Suns, Desmond Bain of the Grizzlies, and that is pack number 2. So, in the interest of time and the number of packs, we'll go ahead and sort of fly through these packs. Zach LaVine, Max Strus, I think that's how you pronounce it, Jordan Hawkins, Bob Carrington, a Windy City Wonder, Young Bulls Play Tough, another one, the Nets Duo Dominates, and sideways one of AJ Johnson. It's a very sideways pack here. Pistons Rain Free Shooters, shoot lights out. Oh, okay, we have our first insert. This is Johnny Broom. Let's see what type of card it is. And it is our first insert there with the No Limit card. Rookie card there, 76ers. So we'll put that at the back. Then we end this pack with Isaiah Joe, PJ Washington Jr., Ace Bailey, and Sion James rookie card. And we move on to the next pack, which has Jalen Pickett, the Timberwolves Protect Home Court, Wolves Bring Energy, another Brooklyn Nets with D'Angelo Russell, Chet Home Green, Grizzlies Fight and Claw, the Ant-Man, Anthony Edwards. So we get a selection of these sideways landscape as well as portrait cards. So Thunder Up trio dominates on both sides of the ball. Patrick Williams. Now we've got an insert card, so I'll just leave that to the end. So we'll just put that here, and we'll end this pack with Jameer Watkins, Old School Magic Johnson, Peyton Watson, Patrick Williams, and our insert is Jeremiah Fears, a guard of the the New Orleans Pelicans rookie card there with the 45th anniversary style there. So Jeremiah Fears. And the next pack. So it's interesting that you don't get inserts in every card. This I'd seen in another video, and it's probably one of the best base cards that you can get, just due to the fact that it looks like he's just bursting out the card. OG Anunoby. That is brilliant. I like that one a lot. Denny Advidsha, Jonathan Mogbo, Quinton Post, Derek Jones Jr., then we have Grady Dick, Jonathan Kuminga, another insert card, so we'll just put that to the back. So we have Bam Adebayo, Miles McBride, Noah Penda, rookie card there for the Magic, Brooks Barnhizer, rookie card, a sideways Allen Iverson, Jonathan Kuminga, and then we end with our first numbered Paolo Banchero, numbered 754 of 2025. So obviously this year that they got the license back. So there's our insert card, and it's a numbered one. So that's the first 5 done. Let's flash on. And we start off with Porzingis, Shannon Jr., Starshine in LA with the man himself, Benedict Mathurin, Anthony Simons, Jaylen Brown, Mike Conley, Clippers battle behind their stars, and we have our insert cards, so again put it to the back. And coming new Mavs Dual Shines, Yannick Conan Niederhauser, rookie card, Maxime Renard, rookie card. That's the Clippers, so this must be our insert card. And it is a chrome of the GOAT. It's like a rainbow there as well of LeBron James. So bring these cards to the front so you can see them. Not doing a very good job with this video today. Just put the base to one side. Have them there. Move on to our next pack. And we're just a third of the way through, and we start off with Tari Eason, Donovan Mitchell, Trey Murphy III, Wendell Carter Jr., Keldon Johnson, Yves Missy, Anthony Black, Jeremy Suchan, by Leo Koulibaly, Old School Steve Kerr in the Spurs uniform, Jareen Jackson Jr., Cam Thomas, and we end this pack with a Dyson Daniels. So it's clear that we're not guaranteed a auto and not an auto, a insert card in every pack. So we had a good run there. I think we got one in this pack. But let's see. So we start off with Russell Westbrook, Heat Catch Fire, Julius Randle, Utah Jazz, AJ Green, Philly Tough, Nikola Jokic, the Bucks Stars lead the way. Then we have our insert card, so put that to the back. Noah Esingui, Hugo Gonzalez, Cam Jones, rookie card. Tyrese Proctor, rookie card as well. Not a rookie. Shaquille O'Neal. Then we have our insert, which is a no limit of Ryan Brenner even, of the Hornets. So 8 packs down, 12 to go, as well as our hobby exclusive pack. And we start off with Sabonis, Miles Turner, Ryan Dunn, Marcus Sasser, Devin Booker, Naz Reid, Andrew Nembhard, youth teammates excel for the Portland Trail Blazers. Nope, we have a insert in this one, so we'll just end this with rookie cards of Nolan Traore, Yang Hansen, and then I'm on a mare here, people. Danny Wolf, rookie card, and then our insert is another of LeBron James, numbered 37 of 99 in a green. There, not a bad card to pull. So I hope you're enjoying these videos. If you are, please go like, share, subscribe. We start off with Zealous, Ben Simmons, Paul George, Isaiah Collier, Jalen Wilson. Feels like we got most of the Brooklyn Nets teams there. DeMar DeRozan, Jaden Ivey, Jared Vanderbilt, and we have a insert card, so as per, stick it to the back. Jeremiah Fears, which we got that no limits of, or no, we got the 45th anniversary, that was that Jerome Fears. We have Ty Jerome, the Denver Nuggets Championship Duo Lead Nuggets, Clint Capella, Zachariah Risaka, the NBA All-Rookie team there, Bam Adebayo, Jared Vanderbilt, and our insert card is a rise to stardom of Carter Bryant of the San Antonio Spurs rookie card. There we go. Right, halfway through, let's bash on. 20 minutes in. Don't want this to be too long a video for you. Start this pack with Karl Anthony Towns, Lauri Markkanen, Therese Maxey, Keontae George, Nikola Vucevic, Jared McKean, Kyle Filipowski, Zaire Williams, and we have an insert in this one. Any duplicate cards, or doublers as we call it, will be put up on my eBay store. There's Rick Barry, so check that in the next week or two. Spud Webb, Will Riley rookie card, and our insert card is a Donovan Mitchell there with the Stars of NBA, which is similar to the Stars of MLB that we got. And the next pack, Nicholas Batum, Alzur Thompson, Ray Hakamura, Kyle Kuzma, Keegan Murray, Jason Wallace, the New Orleans Pels Pair Control team, or game. Then we have Peyton Pritchard, Rob Dillingham, Joan Beringer, rookie card, VJ Edgecombe, rookie card, Shaden Sharp, so I don't think we're getting any inserts in this one. Then we have the Hornets, Jewel shows high mentality, and then we end with a Jarrell Ware. So 8 card packs to go. Start off with Mark Williams, St. P.O. Larson, Jason Tatum, Randy Gobert, the Phoenix Suns, Gary Trent Jr., Anthony Davis, Mark Williams, Cedric Coward, Dennis Richardson, Adu Firio, and Kobe Bryant rookie card. Now, out of all these NBA packs, still haven't got Bronny James Jr. So that's probably on my list of cards that I'd like to get. But here we go, we'll start off with the Golden State Warriors. Tyler Cole, Cody Williams, Scotty Barnes, face concentration there, Podziemski, Brandon Miller, Reed Shepherd, Nikola Jovic. The insert cards, so we'll stick that to the back. We have Bill Russell, very old school there. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, don't know who he is.
Roger. Huh?
So retro ones at the back here, George Gervin. And then our insert card is 45th anniversary card of Tyrese Proctor. There. Pack 15, 26 minutes in. And yes, we do have an insert card, so stick that to the back. So we start off with Drake Powell, rookie card. Sorber there of the Oklahoma City Thunder. Dylan Harper, rookie card. Jerice Walker. Malik Beasley. Dalton Connect. Giannis. Not even going to pronounce his surname. Say that every time and it makes my brother laugh. Malik Monk. Zach Hiddy with the NBA All Rookie Team patch there. Then we have Paulo Bacchero. Stephon Castle there with the NBA All Rookie Team patch. And then, we've got two inserts. Interesting. So we have PJ Washington with the checkered style insert card, and then we have the No Limits of Jeremiah Fears. There we go. 5 more packs and then our hobby exclusive. Interesting if we can pull the auto or relic out of these normal packs. And we start off this pack with a Scoot Henderson, Baylor Sherman, SGA, the Kings Have Fun Hooping card, Emmanuel Quickly, Kihei Leonard, Kelly Oubre Jr., or Aubrey Jr., sorry, Damond Green, insert card, I didn't see that, I don't know, Trey Johnson the second rookie card, a rookie card of Carter Bryant, Ben Sharaf rookie card, Elijah Martin rookie card, and we're back at the Draymond Green, and our insert card is a Kobe White with the rainbow parallel there, chrome style, So we've had a couple of numbered cards. That LeBron James is probably the pool so far. Let's see what the last 4 packs we get. Start off with Tajane Saloon, and that's how you pronounce it. Apologies for butchering these players' names. Dylan Brooks, Jelon Tyson, Aaron Fox, Jordan Poole, the Knicks teammates Shine, Chris Middleton, the Pacer Vets lead Indy to victory, the insert. So we've got CJ McCollum, Jarrett Allen, Ivica Zubac, and our insert card is a George Gervin, San Antonio Spurs card, tops labelled stuck on. Here we go, Havoc marks. I think that will get pride of place there. So that sort of answers the questions. Can you pull autos or relics in the normal packs? And the answer to that is yes. So if you're interested to see what we get in the exclusive hobby pack. So we'll pull the next 3, and we start off with Michael Porter Jr., the DT Duo Dazzle City, Keyshawn George, All-Stars lead the way for the Cavs, Jalen Suggs, Jalen Johnson. Is the next one going to be a Jalen? Oh, it's the Jalen pack here, people. Jalen Green, a boo. Lonzo Ball, insert card, Leon McNeely, Chaz Lanier card, Najee Marshall, and our insert card is a Russell Westbrook 2017 MVP Vault card to end this pack. Got a funky card. 2 more base packs to go. Start off with the Jays Shine, Cade Cunningham, the man himself, LeBron James. Still not got the Bronny James, Kobe White, Norman Powell, Dorian Finley Smith or Finney Smith, Brandon Ingram. Now we do have an insert card in this one. Moses Moody. We have some retro towards the end. John Stockton. Declan Shrimp. I think that's how you pronounce it, the Sonics. Johnny Broom rookie card. Colin Murray Boyles even. Apologies, keep butchering the name. And our insert card is... oh, we get 2 inserts. So we get a Larry Bird. Don't know why that's back to front. It just looks like a normal, just a normal base card. And then we have a Jalen Brown, Jalen Brown. There of the Daily Dribble, not numbered like our LeBron there, but interesting insert. our last pack. Thank you so much if you made it this far. If you haven't, well, you won't hear me say that. So start off with Yabushel, Jimmy Butler III, Nick Claxton, Isaiah Hartenstein, Victor and Fox lead the way. I forgot we haven't had a Cooper Flag or a Wemby. Quentin Grimes, Steph Curry. Sorry for keep putting these out of frame. Cameron Johnson, insert. So we have a Max Christie, Jaime Jaquez Jr., Jamal Murray. And then our insert is a no limit of Dylan Harper rookie card there. So it's a good selection of inserts that we get in this pack. Now to the dramatic music and onto our hobby pack, exclusive pack, sorry. I'm butchering everything today, my sincere apologies. Ooh, okay. And we start off with these 45th anniversary style of J.A. Morant. On Morant we have Kevin Durant, Nikola Jokic, Donovan Mitchell, and our last card is Tyrese Maxey. So there you have it, a lot of cards that you get in this pack. These are all the base. Difficult to put in the screen there, but there is all the base. For £100, I think it's pretty good value. So your guaranteed auto is not in that hobby exclusive pack, it's just within the base pack. And it is this bad boy, George Gervin of the San Antonio Spurs. So I'd rate this probably 9 out of 10, just because Topps have the license, I can actually get it in the UK, which is a bonus, and also because you get a good variety of cards. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share, subscribe. Help me to my goal of at least 100 subscribers by the end of the year of 2025. We'll have the hobby jumbo as well as the value packs being opened up and reviewed soon. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.